what? So 99% of people are making ads that literally burn money. Like, you might as well light your wallet on fire. I know, because I used to do the same crap until I cracked a formula that made my ads unstoppable. And look, if you've ever run an ad that flopped horribly, it's not your fault. Most people don't understand how the algorithm actually works, and that's exactly what I'm going to break down in this video. By the end of this, you'll know how to make ads that people actually want to watch, and most importantly, ads that convert. Let's get into it. Look, there's a reason why some brands print money with ads, while most people are just throwing cash into the void. It's not luck, it's not magic. They know something that 99% of people don't. They understand the algorithm's secrets, and I'm going to break that down for you right now. So here's the thing. The first and most important concept I need to go over is how most people think that if an ad looks professional, it'll perform better. No, it doesn't. The best ads don't even feel like ads. They are disguised as organic content. We're currently managing over $2 million in monthly revenue across all our portfolio brands, and time again, our best performing ads start off as entertaining videos that transition into pitching the product. Here's a few examples I'll throw on the screen right now. The algorithm's goal is simple: keep people watching. Your ads need to perform good organically. This is why we always tell clients to start with organic, post your content across Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts, and then whenever one piece of content hits and gets at least 20 to 30,000 views, we test that in paid ads. So what does that mean for you? Well, if your ad is missing engagement signals, the algorithm buries it and your ad costs skyrocket up. So your entire goal is to make your ad feel like a regular video someone would want to actually watch. That's what every single viral brand is doing right now. All right, so now that you know why most ads suck, let's talk about how to actually make one that prints money. And no, you don't need to be some creative genius for this. You just need to do one simple thing. You need to steal what already works. This is what you need to do. Step 1, find a winning creative format. So look at ads that are already going viral in your niche, more specifically a brand doing over 100K per month, selling your exact product if possible, and you need to study the format. Is it UGC? Is it talking head? Does it start with a crazy hook? You're going to just copy and paste exactly what they did and refilm the ad yourself, or hire a UGC creator to recreate that ad for you. Okay, original footage needs to be filmed. You can't rip footage in 2025 because the metadata on the ads gets flagged if they know you're copying someone. And of course, your ad costs would skyrocket up in that scenario, or it'd get banned. Trust me, don't take the lazy approach and directly steal ads. Film it yourself. You can even download the video, place it in the CapCut, or just overlay it to your original video and make cuts at the same exact time your competitor did. Copy the captions, use the same backgrounds, etc. Just don't steal competitors' footage. Refilm it yourself. Okay, step number 2 is going to be identifying emotional triggers. Ask yourself, why is the ad working? Does it hit on pain points, FOMO, curiosity? Is it fast-paced with quick cuts? What's the first 3 seconds like? Step number 3, repeat the process. Don't try to get creative. Literally just keep stealing winning ads from competitors and test as many angles and formats as possible. For example, you could run a street interview ad, you could run a UGC ad, you could run a product review ad, etc. The more variation you give the algorithm, the faster it learns, similar to adaptation and evolution in the wild, okay? The AI brain needs to learn on your ad account. Step 4, test multiple variations. If the ad works and you're getting a good ROAS over 2x, don't just run one ad and pray, okay? Run 5 to 10 versions with different hooks and different angles, okay? The first 3 seconds is everything. Keep testing multiple variations in efforts to maximize the winning ad that you just created. And then once you've maxed that out, move into the next ad style. This is literally how every smart marketer operates, even outside of e-commerce. All right, now let's move on and talk about the 3 biggest mistakes that are killing your ad performance. Starting with mistake number 1, overcomplicating production. You don't need a fancy camera, high budget setup, or insane editing effects. Some of the best ads are literally filmed on an iPhone in bad lighting, okay? UGC beats high production 90% of the time. Mistake number 2 is ignoring platform psychology. TikTok ads should not look like Facebook ads, and Facebook ads should not look like YouTube ads. Every platform has its own style, and your ad ad needs to blend in. Mistake number 3 is not analyzing data and iterating. If your ad isn't working, don't just kill it, okay? Look at the numbers and ask yourself these questions. Is the hook rate bad? Your first 3 seconds suck. Is the hold rate dropping? Then your pacing is probably too slow. Is it getting views but not converting? Then your offer might need work. Fix what's broken instead of just randomly guessing. But let's say you found a few winning ads and now you're trying to scale. This is how you properly scale without crashing and burning. Lots of people think that they're safe at this stage and they only see short-lived success with their ad campaigns with one winning ad or one winning angle, okay? So let's go over how to actually scale and continue the profitability. Starting with step number 1, which is scale horizontally before scaling budgets. Most people make the mistake of throwing more money into their ad too soon. Instead, test multiple versions first. Same format, different hooks. Same format, different product angles. Or same format, different call to action. You should be running 5 to 10 variations at all times. Okay, once you find multiple winners, then you can start increasing the budget slowly. Step number 2 is scale vertically with a smart budget strategy. Okay, once you've stacked up multiple winning variations, you can start pumping more ad spend. But here's the trick. Don't just increase budget randomly. If an ad is doing great and getting, say, a 4x ROAS, then only increase your budget by 20% every 24 hours. And when you start getting multiple winning ads, move those winners into scaling campaigns with no more than 5 to 10 ads consolidated within an ASC campaign on Meta, or a Smart Plus campaign on TikTok, or a CBO campaign on either platform. I'm not covering other ad platforms in this video. All of this knowledge is going to be predicated around TikTok and Meta ads, okay? You don't want to dump too many ads or ad sets within any campaign, otherwise it's going to take the campaigns way too long to optimize. Make sure to always spread out your ads across multiple scaling campaigns and adjust your budget every 3 to 5 days based on performance, okay? If the ROAS continues to hit over a 3 to 4x ROAS, keep increasing the budget. If it's not at least a break-even ROAS, then scale it down 20% daily. And lastly, remember that if your ads are failing, sometimes it's better to just schedule consultations and reviews from professional media buyers and e-com experts rather than it is to waste your budget on failing campaigns and waste it on bad data, okay? Check out the link in the description and book a free consult with me. Whether you're just starting out or you're scaling, I'll be able to help you analyze your metrics properly and ensure that you're not wasting any money on bad performing campaigns. But yeah, or at least one thing you got value from this video, hit the like button. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe because I'm dropping new updated strategies every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.